Hello and welcome to a new video of Themed Rides. Today we're gonna do Voltrum. Not to be confused with Voltron in Europa Park. No, we're not in Europa Park, we're in Bayern-Park. And there's the freefall tower from a fun time and it's 109 meters high.
Yes, that's really high.
That's really high, yeah. The highest tower, freefall tower that we did already was in Nigloland and it was 100 meters and that was already high. We thought it was already high. So this is 9 meters extra. So I'm very curious about this one.
Yes, me too.
In Nigloland I was already a little bit scared, so I think I'm gonna be a little bit scared here also. I'm gonna take you with you guys with an all ride. So yeah, we see you after the ride. Ja.
Ja, aber du schaffst es halt noch einmal. Jetzt mal, wenn ich da runter und sind wieder ein Sonntag raus. Schau da so.
Nee.
Oh mein Gott. Oh.
Ja.
Natürlich. Sieht dort aus. Oh mein Gott. Oh mein Gott. Oh. Ich mach wieder Idiot. Noch wieder Wind. Besser.
Alright, we just had a ride on a Voltron. Wow.
Very nice.
It's just keep on going. Wow. And the thing is, you're so exposed.
Yes.
You're 109 meters high, and you're so exposed with the LED bars. You're so exposed. It's so real. It's so weird to do, going up over there. It's so high.
Yes, I don't have words for it.
But you're going down, and you just go feeling it. It's keep on going. It's keep on going. But a really nice experience. It's really powerful. Also, it's
Yes,
going down. It's
it
really
is.
powerful. And yeah, I really liked it. But I have to be honest with you guys. I was a little bit scared up there. I was a little bit scared. But though, it had a nice view.
Yes, it really is.
It had a nice view over the park also, and the environment over here. And you see that Bayern-Park is in the middle of nowhere. So yeah, but if you like drop towers and freefall towers, you have to do this one.
Yes,
it's not the highest
sure.
in Germany, but 109 meters is really, really high. So if you come over here to Bayern-Park, just do this ride because yeah, it's really good.
It's very great.
Yeah. So if you like this video, just put your thumbs up and put a like. It's a like, of course, if you put your thumbs up. But also put something in the comments. Do you like the drop towers or not? Because we like it. Not my favorite attraction, but we like it. So yeah, and follow us, of course, for the next adventure. So see you soon.